So the real question is, have we made a mistake by bringing backpacks? Should we have brought suitcases? And because of my frozen shoulder, let me demo. This is my good arm. There's my bad arm. Because of that, I'm not so sure the backpack is working out very well anymore.
But we didn't know that when we started.
No.
I don't have frozen shoulder, but I am kind of tired of loading myself up. It's compressing me. I have one on the front and one on the back. It's not super comfortable. So I do think it was a good decision based on cobblestones and bricks and ancient streets and all of those sorts of things. But
for the next month, we're going to try out a suitcase.
Yeah, we didn't buy the suitcase.
No. A company called Level8 reached out to us months ago, and we didn't do anything about it for a while until my shoulder really started hurting. And then I was like, I wonder if we should, reach back out to them. And they have been so kind to gift us 2 carry-on size Voyager suitcases.
And Level8 is supposed to be a really good company. I think you actually had looked at them
before we left
prior to all this as one of our options.
Yeah. Well, first of all, let's be honest. I looked at probably hundreds of different backpacks and suitcases, and Level8 does make really nice products. So we're gonna beat them up. We're gonna take a full month and try them out, and we're gonna decide, should we have gone backpack or suitcase route, and which ones are we sending home? So today, what we want to do is we want to unbox, see, do they have nice packaging, take a look at some of the details of the bag. The suitcases are supposed to be 43 liters. I have a 35-liter bag. You have a 40-liter bag. So we should have maybe a little bit of extra room.
We agreed to a 30-day test before we say what we like or don't like about them.
And because it's not a sponsored video, we have full authority to say anything that we think or want to about the suitcase. Full disclosure, this is what happened. They gifted us the suitcase, so we did not pay for the suitcase. We got to pick the color, and they've given us a 10% discount code that you can use, and we get a small commission at no additional cost to you, just like the things that we have on our Amazon store, etc. If you do use the code, it doesn't change your price.
So are we ready to check them out?
Ooh, it has a dust bag. That's nice. That's a premium thing. The TSA lock. Oh, is this a waterproof part? Nice. Another thing that's worth mentioning, because we end up having to check these a lot, and yes, you can check them, but they are taking an absolute beating. You can see all of these scuffs. And honestly, if you had anything fragile in them, I would be worried that it would just completely smush them because they are so rough with your baggage. They look to be about the same size. This is a little wider. This is a little thicker. So we'll see once we unpack it and put everything in here.
A little bit different than everything else on the conveyor belt if we have to check it. Love the texture. This is really nice. Tiffany's backpack has these compartments which allowed her to ditch her packing cubes. I've been using them and they've been working great because my backpack doesn't have those compartments. But maybe now I can ditch those things too. One thing that I really like about this, I can put my hands flat on the bottom of both sides because even though it's a rollerboard, it's wide. So I don't have those bars coming down and impeding my space and making it weird to pack. Looks like for me, I'm not going to have any problem getting this stuff in here. Okay, let's see.
Yours is going to be way faster than mine because yours is already in packing cubes.
Easy peasy. I don't know if this is how I would do it. I'm just trying to get an idea if it's going to fit. And the answer is an easy yes.
So we'll start with my closed side. So I don't have packing cubes. This is like a big packing cube, a file. Huh. Oxford Parkway. This is everything for 2 people for a year. That's pretty good. Do you find the wheels to be good, babe? We're beating the absolute tar out of them right now. Look at this surface like this.
All right, we've been traveling for about a month, or maybe a little bit more, with these suitcases. Mostly I like that I feel a little bit more adult, but I also physically like not being weighed down. I don't have to have two backpacks on at the same time. Cobblestone streets, maybe not so much. It's loud. You're not going to sneak up on anybody. If I could go back and start the trip over, I would have gone with this in the first place.
For me, initially, I wanted to give it a try because my shoulder hurt so badly. Good news. So here's the good shoulder. I'm a lot better than I was in the last video. It's about 80%. I ended up getting an injection and a hydrodilation, and so I want to keep it regardless. I'm not ready to switch back to the backpack. Going up and down stairs is much easier with a backpack on. I was surprised. I didn't think of this as a positive. Being on public transportation, it's better with a suitcase because you can kind of straddle it and still take up about the same amount of space. The backpack, you're like a turtle. When you had the backpack on and you had to stand, like the compression, if you're standing for an hour with that bag in one place, it's almost worse to not be moving. Walking feels better than standing still.
You know, and there's an argument to be made that by wearing your backpacks, you're getting better exercise. You're loading up your trunk and
it's
carrying.
Like rucking.
Yeah, like you're rucking. And with the amount of walking that we're doing and other exercise, we're still getting our exercise anyway. So
the final decision is we sent our backpacks home.
They're big enough to fit what we need for an entire year, and small enough to fit in an overhead on a budget airline, small enough to fit in a little luggage compartment between the seats on a train. I'd also like to say that as far as a piece of luggage goes, because we've had other bits of luggage in the past, these are really nice, well-made pieces of luggage.
They feel higher quality.
The wheels just run smoother. The shell itself seems more durable and less flimsy. So also aesthetically, they look nice as well.
I would totally have spent my own money on this. If any of you decide that this is something you'd like to give a try, definitely get the 10% discount. It's linked in the description below. If you're trying to do a carry-on only option, this is a really, really good bag.
Yeah.
And we still get to pack in my filing system. Even Nathan does it now. Please consider subscribing and joining along to journey further and live lighter with us.